Hello, my name is Zoltan Kis. I'm product manager of single-axis motion system at ETEL. First of all, I'm proud to tell you we ship more than 60,000 short-stroke actuators, more than 6,000 rotary axes. This represents more than 9,000 turret machines in the world. That's cool. Last time we promised you great products. It's time to materialize that promise. You have to handle bigger devices, implement wider module, then you have to resize the rotating table. The payload becomes an important constraint. To address those challenges, we have reinvented the turret core. First, with the RTMB+, the great successors of the RTMB rotary axis. It will not replace it. It will expand the global handling capabilities. With also more wafer handling, you have to resize the rotating plate, and thanks to the payload you can apply up to 500 kg. The RTMB+ will cover a wider range of application. Thanks also to the water cooling jacket, this optional feature can increase your performances by 3. That's a great advantage to standardize your layout and sell standard machines. Semiconductor devices are thinner and more fragile. You don't want to test and pack them only. You want to be sure you didn't stress them during the whole handling process. I have the pleasure to introduce you our great actuator, the TUCANA ST and AQUARIUS ST. This product will answer to the market needs how to handle fragile device at high speed. Combined together, this great product is a fully synchronized motion systems which is faster, stronger and safer than ever. One more thing, you have this remarkable product, state-of-the-art electronic to drive them. What if we offer you a new application with a user-friendly interface to reduce you the move and setup time by 10? Get ready to experience soon the new ETEL application developed for great turret manufacturers.